Hey WordPress developers, what if I told you there's a way to save hours on repetitive tasks, letting you focus on what truly matters? I'm Andrea, and today I will walk you through how InstaWP has completely changed my workflow and helped me unlock more creative time. Stick around to learn how you, too, can 10x your efficiency and reduce those exhausting work hours. Let's dive in. So why is saving time so important? Think about this. Studies show that optimized workflow can boost your productivity by up to 30%. This doesn't just help you finish tasks faster, it increases revenue, keeps your team motivated, of course, and improves client satisfaction. In fact, developers who streamline their work process report being 25% less stressed. On average, developers spend 20% of their week on mundane tasks like setups and updates. By cutting down this, you can focus on impactful parts of development that grow your business, of course. Imagine freeing 8 hours a week, almost a full work day. What could you achieve with that extra time? We have all been there, right? Juggling tabs, setting up local environments, installing plugins, managing migrations, and running backup. These necessary but repetitive tasks take up hours each week. On average, setting up a local environment, takes about 40 to 60 minutes per project. And imagine if you're running multiple projects at once, that time adds up very fast. One of my favorite InstaWP features is the one-click staging. Normally, creating a staging environment involves various steps, configurations, manual uploads, and testing, of course. This can take anywhere between 45 minutes and an hour. On the other hand, with InstaWP, it's as simple as clicking a button. Within 15 minutes, I have a fully functional staging site ready to go. And this is a game changer, especially when I need to test updates or new features. I calculated that InstaWP's one-click staging has saved me up to 3 hours per project. With 10 projects per month, that's 30 hours regained. Time that I now invest in creative development or client strategy. Okay, next, let's talk about site management, okay? Managing multiple projects often means keeping 1,000 tabs open or using external tools to track settings and updates. This eats up time and mental energy. With InstaWP's centralized dashboard, I can access all my projects in one place. It's like having an organized comment center at my fingertips. I would say on average, this feature saves me about 2 hours every week by cutting out the hassle of jumping between windows or manually checking settings. Over the course of a year, that's over 100 hours saved. Time I would otherwise spend on low-value tasks. So keeping staging and live sites synchronized is often a tedious process, I would say. It used to take me an hour each time I updated a site between uploading changes, testing, and ensuring consistency. And with InstaWP's two-way sync, this process is effortless. I make my changes on the staging site, sync them, and they are automatically reflected on the live site in real time. And for developers handling multiple projects, this could mean saving between 8 to 10 hours monthly. Time I now use to work on custom features and client updates. And managed WordPress hosting is another area where InstaWP shines. With built-in speed optimizations, DDoS protection, and automated backups, it's perfect for client side. And clients often ask about site security and uptime. And by using InstaWP, I can confidently say your site is in good hands. And of course, a reliable host means less or fewer calls from anxious clients, more satisfied clients, and a 15% increase in client retention. With fewer issues to troubleshoot and manage, I save hours of potential emergency maintenance every month. If you have ever migrated a site, you know how stressful it can be. Traditional methods can take hours and come with risks like downtime or data loss. With InstaWP's one-click migration, I move sites in minutes, not in hours. No more late night worries or long checklists. Just click, migrate, and done. Each migration used to take me 2 to 3 hours, but with InstaWP, it's cut down to just a few minutes. Across 20 projects a year, that is over 40 hours saved. Okay, so let's look at how these features stack up. So one-click staging, up to 3 hours saved per project. Site management, 2 hours weekly. Two-way sync eliminates 1 hour per update cycle. Managed hosting ensures no emergency maintenance hours. And migration saves 2-3 hours per project. In total, using InstaWP saves me 10 hours weekly. So multiply that over a month or even a year, and you're talking about days of productive time regained. So if you're ready to streamline your workflow and reclaim those precious hours, give InstaWP a try. Use the exclusive code YouTube50 to get 50 off your monthly plan for 6 months. Trust me, this is a tool that is worth every second. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on notifications for more productivity tips and WordPress insights. Until next time, happy building!